are going to love the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, heated seats, quad seating, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.